In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change outfit in Yakuza 0. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you quick and easy instructions on how to properly unlock the change outfit function and how to change outfits for Kiryu and Majima. So first, I just want to make something very clear. You cannot change Kiryu or Majima's outfits during the main story. This is something that you will unlock after you progress through the main story of the game at least once. So if you have completed the main story, you are going to unlock Premium Adventure. This is where you will be able to change the outfit. It works essentially as a new game plus mode. In this mode, you can change outfits at your hideout. So for Kiryu, go over to the real estate office. In there, you will be able to interact with the save phone, and one of the options is going to be change outfit, as you can clearly see here. So interact with the save phone, go over to change outfit, and you will be able to find various different outfits. Here are some examples: normal outfit, dragon tattoo, judgment, producer, and lord of the night. You will be able to typically obtain these as packs from the CP shop NPC, Bob, and as long as you purchase them, all of them will immediately appear on the hideout. The same can be done for Majima, but instead you will be going over to the Cabaret Club office, and as long as you interact with the save phone, you will be able to have your outfit changed at any point during the Premium Adventure mode. So complete the main story once, go over to change outfit, and once this is done, you will be able to see your character in the new outfit that you selected. You can repeat this whenever you wish, and it shouldn't affect your gameplay besides just visuals. Once again, you will be able to go over to the real estate office as Kiryu and the Cabaret Club office as Majima to change your outfit. I hope I was able to help you on how to change outfit in Yakuza 0. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.